Hi, you guys. So today you are being asked to answer questions about your experience at Lakeview Middle School. We are asking that you take the survey because your teachers want to hear from you. So as you complete the surveys, remember the whole purpose of this survey is to help us improve your learning experience in school. So please be honest. Your teachers will not be able to connect your answers back to you. And so that's something really important to know. And if you feel like you cannot answer a question, then you may skip that question. That's okay. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is below this video in Schoology, there is a link. You're going to click on that and it will open a web browser. If your web browser does not load, I need you to email your Life Ed teacher right away. As soon as that browser loads, you will see a box that shows up and it's going to ask for an access code. This access code is just your S number. It does not have the email portion at the end. It is just the S number. You're going to type your access code into the box and you're going to hit enter. Once you've entered your access code, a green button will show up to the right side of your screen labeled Start Surveys. The name of the survey that you will be taking will be listed. So please, again, email your Life Ed teacher if this does not show up for you. So after you've entered your access code, you have an opportunity to change the survey to another language. So if at the top left side of your screen, there's in the corner it says English. If you click on that, a drop-down arrow will come down and a drop-down box, and you can click your preferred language. If your preferred language is English, then skip this step and you will just move on and start the survey by clicking on that Start Survey button on the page. You will now take the survey, and after answering all of the questions, click the blue button at the bottom of the screen that says Submit. Once you've completed your survey, please click the button Submit, and a final screen will show up and it'll say Thank you. This means that you're finished. Please read your guys' agendas that are in Schoology, so all of your course agendas, and begin working on any of the virtual assignments that you still have to do, any missing assignments that you still haven't completed yet. Begin working, pretty much the gist. So the rest of the time is yours to begin working on that survey. And again, once you're done, you're just going to work on other schoolwork.